Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to combine DNS plus browser ad blocker for maximum protection. For this, simply go to settings and tap on the option connections and tap on more connection settings. Tap on private DNS. Then from here, you need to select the option private DNS provider hostname. So here we need to enter the host name of DNS provider dns.adcat.com. So after enter the host name of DNS provider, tap on the option save. Now go back, open the Chrome. Okay, now tap on three dots on the top right side, tap on settings. Then from here you need to select the option site settings. Now simply scroll down. Here you can see one option, pop-ups and redirects. Tap on this one. Then from here you need to select the second option, don't allow site to send pop-ups and use redirects. Select this one. Okay, so using both DNS and browser settings gives a stronger and permanent ad blocking. DNS removes the most ads system-wide, while browser blocking stops pop-ups and redirects. Okay, so simply in this way we can combine DNS and browser ad blocker for the maximum protection. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.